Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to turn graphics acceleration on or off in Google Chrome. Graphics acceleration lets Chrome use your computer's graphics hardware to improve performance, so let's get started. Step 1. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3, in the left menu, click System. Step 4, look for the option that says Use Graphic Acceleration when available, which is going to be right here. Step 5, toggle the switch on or off depending on your preference. For the sake of this video, we're going to turn it off. Step 6, click Relaunch so Chrome can apply the change. And that's how you turn graphics acceleration on or off in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.